everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy series, and today I talk about Skeem Saam. Guys, it's a big fight between Marongwa and the principal Tobakale. I don't know guys if you agree or disagree that Tobakale is a bully who abused teachers and children and don't deserve to be a principal at Teflop High School, or you agree that Marongwa is the right candidate to take this position. Well guys, Marongwa unalesinyamanyana kiitse hore bamdirile ing mara unalesinyamanyana sa hae nje esi special. All his hard work will be in vain even after he bribed other teachers with a bucket of fried chicken ukuthi but testify against the principal Tobakale. Marongwa supported Evelyn thinking she is on his side, but things change. Guys, Evelyn also want to be a principal at Teflop High School and she will be called first for interview before Marongwa. With that English of hers, I doubt Marongwa have a chance, guys. The teachers reveal the following. Evelyn received an email from the district that might change her life, but Alfred doesn't. On Wednesday, the 24th of August, 2022, Alfred finally received some good news, but he is worried about his competition. So he is also invited for an interview, guys, on the 26th of August, 2022. An interview at the district starts off well, then quickly spiral out of control. On the 29th of August 2022, Alfred's will comes off. Isinyama covered him again, guys. On the 30th of August 2022, guys, Mr. DeSanto's TEF High announcement leaves many staggered. On Wednesday, the 31st of August 2022, a celebration is in order for the new chief at TEF High School. So yeah, guys, who do you think will take this position between Principal Tobakale, Minir Managa, Marongwa, and Evelyn? I strongly suspect Evelyn or Managa, or they will bring back Principal Tobakale. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.